In this video, you will learn to replace the key cylinder in your EMTEK key-in, knob, or lever lock set. For this project, you will need the provided Allen key as well as an even smaller Allen key to disengage the lock cylinder. If you feel this project is too challenging, EMTEK also offers this service.
Remove the keyed knob or lever set from the door. Make sure the lock is unlocked. Loosen the set screw with the supplied Allen wrench. Use a smaller Allen wrench or a pin to release the clip holding the key cylinder. This step may take a few tries. Removing the key releases the key cylinder. Install your new key cylinder. Make sure you align the pinhole with the retaining clip. Tighten the set screw.